I will hold up little pictures so that you can make your decision. Whale over here. Eagle over here.
For sure.
I'm standing on the line.
Eagle looks so much cooler.
Felix, move your body away from Leo.
Oh, Felix. Just watch when everybody else is.
Okay, make your final decision. 1, 2, 3. Have a seat on your chosen side. All right, so
Felix, I said right behind the line.
I'm going to come around and I'm going to collect my data. So choose your side, and you're frozen because now you're like data points. So you're not, you represent something. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 for eagles, and 1, 2, 3 for whales.
We don't care.
So, I'm going to ask you, Shanti, we're going to do a transition, and I want to see that you can, as quietly as possible, move, just like how we started the lesson, to the edge of the rock, so that I can pick up the rope. Quietly transition to the edge of the rock. Beep, beep. Can you transition to it? Watch out. Alright, come together in 5. Felix, move away from Milan, please. I don't think that's a very smart choice for you. On the other side, next to Eleanor. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So, we did our survey, and our survey question that we're going to focus on is, would you rather be an eagle or a whale? So, I had 19 eagles and 3 whales. So, I'd like to show you how you can represent that. How can I show what I've learned from my survey? Does anybody have any ideas, before I give you my 2 suggestions, about how you could show what you learned in this survey? Rowan, what are your thoughts?
Pictures or writing.
You could do pictures or writing, just like how we kind of solve word problems. Does anybody have another idea of how we could show what we learned from this survey? Molly?
Math, writing, and you could go, well, 19 eagles were on one side and 3 whales were on another side and on the edge of the ocean. And then you do 19 eagles running. Well, there's eagles don't dive.
Okay, so you could show it in words. You could use words to explain it. Yeah, Eleanor?
Math.
You could use math, which we might do in just a minute. That might be one of my suggestions. Yeah, Mazzy. You could show pictures. All right, Felix, did you have one more that you wanted to add, or did Eleanor say it? Okay, what is it?
You could use different animals.
You could use different animals. So my 2 ways that we can show the data we collected,
Oh, it's cute.
one of the ways is with different cubes. And we could use, let's see, I think brown would be our eagles. And whales will be blue. Bless you. So, let's see, who can tell me how many, who remembers, I'm going to flip this over, how many people wanted to be eagles? Who remembers the number? How many people wanted to be eagles? Leo? 19. 19, all right. I've got 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. I need 2 more. I didn't think this many people wanted to be eagles. Sit back, please, Felix. Okay, 18. One more.
I stopped touching.
19. Okay. Okay.
19 is not right.
19 and 19 eagles and 3 whales. Oh, sorry. When scoot back on your bottom. So when I show the data that I collected from the survey like this, what can you tell right away when you look at these cubes? What can you tell right away without even having to count any of them? Matthew, what can you tell right away when you look at the cubes? 22 what? Oh, so you added the 2 together. So what is that? What is 22?
We have 22 people in the class.
What is 22? That number? What does that tell us? How many people did what in the survey?
So 19 people wanted to be eagles, and so if 3 people want to be whales, it makes 22.
So, and that tells us the total number of people who participated in the survey. What else can you tell if you just look quickly at the cubes? What else can you tell? Really easily. You don't even have to count them. What else can you tell? Trayden?
There's 19, and then if you add 3 more, it makes 22.
That's right. If we add them together, they're 22. Does anybody see anything different? Look, what if I put them really close together? One's way up here. One's way down here. Which one has more? Koa. Which one has more?
The eagles.
Yeah, it's a lot more. There are a lot more people that want to be eagles for a day than those that want to be whales for a day. So, the other way that you can show the data you collect is by using pictures. And so instead of drawing all the pictures, I made little cut-out pictures from the computer. So how many whales pictures would I need?
3.
Okay, so let's see. 1, 2, 3. Okay. And how many eagle pictures would I need?
19.
Let's see. 19. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh my goodness, I went it up. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So, Felix, sit back. I'm not sure why I see so many friends sitting on their bellies. Because when we're on the rug, we sit up and we sit crisscross. Yeah, laying on their bellies. So, which color? Which way to show the data, is it easier to see which one has more? Which one do you guys think is it easier to tell which answer has more? Felix, which one do you think is easier to be able to
It's pretty
tell?
obvious that there's more eagles than whales.
But and which representation do you like? The pictures? Do you think that's easier, or do you think the cubes are easier?
Pictures are a lot cooler and easier.
You think the pictures are a lot easier? Does anybody think that the cubes are easier to tell? Put your hand on your head if you think that the cubes are easier to tell. All right, so when I will leave out our pictures. So, at the beginning of the lesson, I asked you what a survey was. Can anybody tell me, can anybody give me a better definition of what a survey is now that you were able to participate in one? Oh no, only 3 friends? Only 3 friends know what a survey is after you got to be, oh, 4, 5? Anybody else? Abby, can you tell me what you think a survey is? Yeah, so it's a way to get information from people, and sometimes we can get information simply by looking at them. So if I wanted to do a survey and we put out the rope and you decided you were wearing short sleeves or long sleeves, that would be something where I don't really need to ask you, I can just see what you're doing. But sometimes in surveys we ask how you feel about something. And then some of the things, let's see, what did we learn from this survey about eagles or whales? What did we learn? What does our data show us that we learned? What did we learn, Trayden? That's one thing that we learned in our class is that more kids would rather be an eagle than a whale. What else did we learn? Alaya, can you think of something else that we learned from this survey? I think Matthew said it at the beginning. And he was talking about all the cubes all together. What did we learn from this survey? Survey. How? I won't give any more away. I'll see if anybody else can think about it. Shanti, what else did we learn from this survey? Okay, well you keep thinking about it and you see if it comes back to you. Jonah wants to be a whale? Okay, we'll add, thank you. That kind of changes things a little bit.
You're still in the minority.
Oh, thanks. So, this kind of changed the question a little bit. So we learned something when we first did the survey, and now we added Jonah's whale in that he wanted to be. So what's something, Eleanor, that we learned by looking at it all together? So what is 23? What does that represent? Is it everybody that took the survey? Yeah, exactly. So by looking at the numbers, how many eagles and how many whales, and adding them together, we know how many people took the survey, that participated in the survey. So here's another question that I haven't asked before yet. We know which one has more. Is it a lot more or a little bit more? Are the numbers close together or are they far apart? So it wasn't a close race. So our eagles a lot of friends wanted to be eagles more so than they wanted to be whales. All right, I am going to clean up our eagles and clean up our whales. And I'm gonna put out the rope again, and I'm gonna have us do another survey question. Oops, sorry, Gina. So, can you slide that rope all the way back to the desk where Elias is sitting? Just so that you weren't playing with it while we were talking. Okay.
Put it all the way to the desk.
Yep, all the way to the desks.
Eli, can you move? I wish we had cheese.
Okay. So, I'm also going to choose 2 of you to be data collectors, which means you don't get to be part of the survey. You have to be helpers. Okay? So, 1, 2. So you're going to stand off the rug so that you are not confused with those in the data sample. And let's see, the question is, would you rather... Oh, I'll wait, Shanti.
Shanti, you know what? Come on back here.
Would you rather,
You can watch.
over here, play soccer or go swimming? Play soccer on this side of the road, go swimming on this side of the road. Okay, what? 1, make your decisions. Soccer, swimming. Oh, maybe because I'm not a data collector, I will choose. I'm glad I get to participate in this survey. So, Leo, your job is to count all those who would like to play soccer, and Mazzy, your job is to count all those who would like to go swimming. And I think I would rather go swimming. So hold still while they count you. So we'll pick a side so that, got it? Got your number? Okay, hold on to it. Okay, so will you tell the group how many of those would like to go swimming? 13. And Leo, how many would like to go, or to play soccer? 6. So, 13 and 6. Can you
Felix.
So, who can answer the question of...
We're almost done. We're going to go to the...
Hold on to that. That wasn't my question, but I'm really glad you told me that. Which, swimming or soccer? Which one was more popular in our classroom? Leo. Swimming. And Sol just told me something else about our survey. Can you tell me what you just told me? Can you tell everyone what you just told me?
13 plus 6 equals 19.
So that means that must have meant that 19 of us participated in the survey. Okay, one more. Let's see. I'm going to pick some new data collectors. So I'm going to pick someone who's been listening and participating.
Ooh, Evie, you want to do this?
Yeah, come join us for we're taking surveys.
Yeah, come on over.
So Dane will be one data collector and Eleanor will be the other. Okay, so the question, I'm giving you the question in 3, 2, I should have all your ears and eyes. I'm going to tell you the question. I'm waiting for everyone to be quiet. 1, 0. The survey question is, would you... I'll tell you. Would you rather have a dessert of ice cream over here or birthday cake? Ice cream over here or birthday cake? Then you're in the right spot. So, survey question.
One more.
Yep.
Okay, what was it?
So the survey question is, would you rather for dessert have ice cream or birthday cake?
Which side?
And you choose it based on the side of the line.
This one?
Okay.
Cake?
Oh, I have to decide too.
You like cake?
Okay, so cake or ice cream? Oh.
There's ice cream.
Okay. So where is Eleanor? Eleanor, will you please count, will you be the data collector and count those who would like to be birthday cake? And Dane, will you count those who would like ice cream?